Writing cross-platform mobile applications. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at how to write cross-platform mobile applications. We'll review the following contents, which is cross-platform support, hybrid approach, hybrid frameworks, hybrid development considerations, top-performing hybrid apps, platform browsing, and build automation. We'll be looking at what it means to build cross-platform mobile ecosystems. Amongst the list of projects that will allow us to build such applications are Apache Cordova, PhoneGap, and so on. Software developers can build hybrid mobile applications using Apache Cordova instead of using APIs tailored to specific platforms like Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. Adobe Systems PhoneGap is a software development framework for creating mobile applications. In addition to supporting iOS, Android, BlackBerry, and Windows Phone, offers apps for nearly every popular mobile platform. Platform browsing is a term that I coined to illustrate how to browse multiple cross-platform mobile applications from a unique source. This is mostly targeted at building web, desktop, mobile UIs using existing frameworks to try to arrive at a fully refined, streamlined, and robust application. The hybrid approach. The main difference between hybrid and native apps is this. Hybrid apps are developed across platforms while native apps are developed from specific operating systems. With hybrid frameworks, we've got Flutter, Xamarin, PhoneGap, Intel XDK, Ionic Framework, Framework 7, React Native, Appcelerator Titanium, Mobile API UI, Angular UI, Onsen UI, Sencha Touch, and Kendo UI. Development considerations include the questions that you need to ask yourself is, are we going to develop our mobile app using Cordova or PhoneGap? Which plugins will you use to speed up and fast track your development process? Which platforms and versions will you be supporting? And what about offline support? How are you going to handle the scenario where there is no active internet connection and you need to keep your users engaged? Are you handy with Xcode, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, or Android Studio? How will you test the app? Here are some of the links to the hybrid frameworks available for mobile development. And then we've got top performing hybrid apps. Here are a list of top performing hybrid applications. You've got Amazon App Store, Evernote, Twitter, Apple App Store, Gmail, Khan Academy, Uber, and Instagram. So we're looking at platform browsing. Like I pointed out earlier, platform browsing is mostly targeted at building web, desktop, and mobile UIs using existing frameworks to try to build our mobile app rapidly. You can certainly target Android and iOS applications with one single source code. Xamarin and Flutter. The high maturity of Xamarin makes it more widely used than Flutter. A staggering 68.8% of developers expressed interest in developing an application with Flutter, according to Stack Overflow's 2020 developer survey. With Flutter, Google introduced Flutter in 2015 and released its first release of the cross-platform framework in May 2017. In the last few years, Flutter has steadily grown and provided app developers with opportunities to create apps for iOS, Android, and mostly any cross-platform application. Xamarin makes it possible to develop native applications for multiple platforms at once, so we can share about 90% of the code across platforms. A build automation process involves scripting and automating the retrieval of software code from the repository, compiling it into a binary artifact, executing automated functional tests, and publishing it to a shared and central repository. Establishing a consistent and repeatable process with a build automation using tools such as Gradle, Groovy, Fastlane, Travis CI, Circle CI, and Jenkins. So please remember to subscribe to my channel, and so you can get the latest updates whenever I upload videos. You can actually check out and see what we have in stock.